How to easily make money with TikTok Shop. Let's get started. If you're looking to make money on TikTok Shop, there are two main paths you can take: becoming a seller or an affiliate. If you want to become a TikTok Shop seller, visit the website TikTok Shop Seller Center and sign up using your TikTok account, email, or phone number. You'll need to submit details such as your business type, individual or corporate, identification documents, and banking information for payouts. Once approved, you can start uploading your products. Ensure they comply with TikTok's guidelines. Use TikTok's features like in-feed videos and live streams to showcase your products. Engaging content can drive sales. TikTok also offers a fulfillment service where they handle storage, packaging, and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Next thing you can do is become a TikTok Shop affiliate. If you prefer not to manage inventory, becoming an affiliate allows you to earn commissions by promoting other sellers' products. You must be at least 18 years old and have 5,000 followers on TikTok. Within the TikTok app, navigate to Creator Tools and select TikTok Shop to apply. Once approved, browse available products and add them to your Showcase tab. Develop engaging videos or go live to promote these products. Include affiliate links so viewers can purchase directly. Affiliates earn a commission on each sale made through their unique links. So these are the ways to make money on TikTok Shop. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.